I think it would be rude not to, Dan. Good morning. I'm at the Royal Observatory in Greenwich this morning, and right where I am is the home to quite a few Meridian lines. But this one that you can see here is the Prime Meridian line. Now, there was a conference in Washington in 1884 to decide where in the world the Prime Meridian line should be, and it was decided it would be here at Greenwich because many of the seafaring charts in those days were actually British. Now, you can see the 0 degrees divides east from west. So if I'm standing here, I'm in the east. If I'm standing here, I'm in the west. Very important for seafarers. You can also see behind me the Royal Observatory. Now, this has been here since 1675 and was built by Sir Christopher Wren. And what a stunning building it is. Stunning in this morning's sunshine especially. And for many of us today, the forecast is a dry one. And for some of us, a sunny and a very warm one for this stage in December. We're likely to see temperatures this week as high as 31 Celsius. Not record-breaking for September, but still pretty good. Good by night as well. So if we start off in Scotland this morning, we do have some rain in the west. It's also rather windy here. Move further east in Scotland, there's a bit more cloud around, but the northeast of Scotland will see some breaks today. Northwest England, you've got a little bit more cloud. Northeast England under clearer skies, and those clearer skies prevail as we push down towards the East Midlands, East Anglia, Essex, Kent, the London area. Beautiful blue skies here this morning. But if we pick it up again from Dorset to Cornwall, there is a bit more cloud around with just the odd shower. You could catch a shower in Hampshire this morning as well. For Wales, cloudier start for you. Again, 1 or 2 showers, some brightness across the far north of Wales. And then for Northern Ireland, well, we've got rain coming in from the west with some showers in the east. Northern Ireland too, quite windy. We've had a lot of rain overnight across Scotland and also Northern Ireland, and there's more to come. Some of that could be quite heavy today across Dumfries and Galloway, Antrim and Down, for example, heading towards Ayrshire. So as a result here, temperatures will be lower. The wind will start to ease through the day too. But if you're in the sunshine, particularly in central and eastern England, that's where the temperatures will be highest. As I mentioned, 26 or 27. Somewhere in northeast Scotland could hit 21 too. Now, through the evening and overnight, we still will have the rain in some western areas, some of that fringing in across parts of southwest England, parts of Wales as well. It's going to be quite a mild night. There'll be some clear skies, but for example, in the southeast, in some parts, temperatures may not dip lower than 20 Celsius. Again, that's unusual for this stage in September. So tomorrow we start off where we've got the clear skies with some sunshine, still some rain in the west, still the potential for some of that to be heavy, not everywhere, and it'll be a bit more cloud in the west. So again, the highest temperatures will be as you move further east. But widely, we're looking at temperatures into the high teens, low 20s, around the London area, more likely to be 30, possibly even 31. So, Dan, for you, Scorgio. And then by the time we get to Wednesday, well, temperatures coming down a touch, but still 28. But still, you can see that great big arc of rain in the west. Some of that too could be quite heavy. So, mixed fortunes with the weather this week, depending on where you are, Dan and Lou.
I thought I heard a 31. Carol, thank you very much indeed.
Carol, is it an ice cream van behind you? Over your left shoulder?
I see it. Yes, it is.
Oh,
It's
come
not
on.
open yet, though, Dan.
Bring one round later, Carol.
Thanks, Carol. See you later.
Out,